Well, it's not a Tuesday unless we get a special visit from the SEK Humane Society. Not only do we have Director Jasmine Kyle with us once again. Good morning. We've got, who's the special guest joining us this morning?
Yeah, so this is Betty. As you can see, she is a super sweet, lovable gal.
Can you look at the camera, Miss Betty?
You would not guess it because she's a very active girl and a very sweet dog, but she is 8.5 years old. She is a black lab mix, as you can see, with a little bit of husky mixed into her. Yeah. She knows how to sit and shake on command. Yeah. She's been to several kids' educational tours. She even had, oh, there you go. She had her special Christmas pop-up adoption event at Root Coffee House here in Pittsburgh. And as you can see, she was going up to guests and giving them handshakes without asking and just kind of introducing herself to everybody. She is a dog that we have that you will always see smiling. She is such a pure, sweet soul.
And of course, given by the picture, she is not shy. I can definitely tell that.
She will go up to any human that she wants to be friends with, which is everybody, to say the least. She's just looking for a home with no animals is the thing. Miss Betty wants to be by herself for the most part when it comes to animals, but with people, she wants to be with constantly, whether that is on the couch, chilling out, watching you work at home, or whether you want to go on a hike. She loves car rides too. She hopped in my car right on this morning and lay down the back seat. She knew what was going on. So
yeah, it's like that's always just, I mean, personally, that always gives me joy. Just whenever I'm on the road, just seeing dogs sticking their heads out the windows and just enjoying the ride.
Exactly.
And I keep mentioning people's like young, old. She doesn't have a preference.
No, she does not have a preference. We've tested her with kids, with adults, with elderly. She does great. She's just looking for a home with no animals. And this weekend is really special at our shelter.
Oh, really? What's coming up?
Yeah, so this Saturday and Sunday, we're at full capacity, unfortunately, just like a lot of shelters are right now. We have almost 100 animals on property.
Goodness.
But thanks to some support from a wonderful organization called Petco Love, we are waiving all dog adoption fees this Saturday and this Sunday, July 9th and 10th. Wow. That means that you pay nothing. And on top of it, we will give you a free collar and a free leash that goes with that dog too. Our dogs are spayed and neutered. They're microchipped. They are up to date on information. We are giving you all the tools needed. You do not have to worry about everything. And there's Miss Sugar Mama. She was on 2 weeks ago with you guys. Now, she's a German Shepherd. We do not get a lot of German Shepherds, especially at shelters. They are high-end dogs. Sugar Mama is great with kids. She's great with humans. She's great with other dogs. And she also can sit on command, and she can hop in a car and sit on command too. She's a very polite lady.
And it's funny too, we were talking about Sugar Mama during the break. I thought it was a brand new breed of dog that I've never heard of before. But as we all saw, she's an amazing German Shepherd. It's like I've seen a few good, not just a few good German Shepherds. All the ones I've seen, they're always amazing dogs.
I know.
But no, like it's just amazing though. Like it's not just mixed breeds. Like you get like I think you've had like all sorts of breeds come at the shelter.
Yeah, we actually have like Athena right there. She's a Great Dane mix. We don't ever get Great Danes at our shelter. It is an incredibly rare occurrence, especially in our area because they're very expensive dogs. And we, as of today, just have 2 more Great Danes. They are big, big boys. They are sweet and kind and gentle, and you can see them on our website, the SEKHumaneSociety.com. They will be actually up for adoption this weekend too. They're very, very sweet boys. But we also have a dog by the name of Montana who has been with you guys.
Can you get, there
we go. I know, she wants kisses. But yeah, there is Montana. He is an extremely cool dog. He is an Australian cattle dog terrier mix. He has, as you can see, these giant ears. He is an amazingly cool dog. I personally fostered him at my house. He is an amazing, sweet dude. He is also 8 years of age, but is extremely active. I had him out on a trailway, and he was out. We were probably out there for 2 hours, just enjoying the scenes and the sights. He'll jump in a car. I had no accidents with him indoor at my house. He's a incredibly cool dog, and he only comes up to my knee. He's a very small guy. So if you've been looking for smaller dogs, which we don't usually have a lot of right now, he would be a great one to check out this weekend.
That's amazing. So yeah, you've got quite a bit of events coming up, a lot of dogs up for adoption, including Riddick. Amazing.
Riddick is a little, as you can see, he loves the camera. Whenever we get a camera out, that boy will sit and give you the biggest smile, and he knows. Riddick does great with female dogs, no cats, no male dogs, but he is also, as you can see, comes up to your knee, is a very cool guy. He's a pug beagle mix too.
Amazing.
Very cool.
Well, we've unfortunately we're just about short on time, but if anybody has any information about the events coming up or something, that big adoption special coming up, how can they get a hold of you guys?
Yeah, you can reach out to us on our Facebook page. We have our website, thesekhumanestudy.com. We again will be open this Saturday to the public from noon to 4, and then the Sunday from 1 to 4 too. And of course, you can give us a call at 232-1840.
Yeah, and I just can't help but notice like more dogs coming up. You've got so many wonderful pets up for adoption. Anybody looking for a forever home for these special guys, please give them a shout out. You may walk in not expecting to pick one up, but I'm sure you get a lot of people just coming in and ready to take one of their forever friends home.
We hope so. We hope so.
All right. Well, Jasmine, Kyle, thank you very much for stopping by with us. And you too, Miss Betty. Thanks for hamming up for the camera for us. And we'll be back after the break.